Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm doing a little L'Occitane unboxing. So I ordered a top up of my favourite ever L'Occitane products and I thought I'd unbox them with you so that you can see what my favourites are. And if you're new to the brand, you can know what to look out for. Okay, let's get unboxing. So before we get started, L'Occitane are one of those brands where they have so many iconic products that it could be hard to know what to go for. Some brands just have like one or two really good things, and L'Occitane have like 20 standout items. So honestly, picking favourites is incredibly difficult, but these are mine. First of all, I have to show you the almond shower oil. This stuff is incredible. I've been using it since it came out, which I think was like 10 years ago now. And at first I didn't even know what a shower oil was, but it's so good. It's a bit like a cleansing oil for your face. It basically gently cleanses your body. It lifts off all the dirt. It leaves your skin smelling incredible, super clean and fresh. It emulsifies off with water and it's just like super hydrating but also super cleansing. It's gorgeous. And it's just a perfect product which cannot be bettered. And if you're looking for a shower oil, this is basically the best in the world. They also do a larger size bottle and a refill, which I would highly recommend because you will never tire of this product and it will become a bathroom staple once you start using it. Next up, I got some hand cream. This was kind of like the sole purpose for my order because I recently had some eczema and I knew I needed something really good for my hands. Nothing too fragrant, nothing toxic, something just really hydrating and soothing. And I just went straight for my tried and true favourite, which is the L'Occitane hand cream. This contains shea butter and lots of other lovely hydrating things, which will hydrate and soothe without causing any kind of irritation. And it's just perfect for dry, sore, sensitive hands. It's incredible. But as fate would have it, I ordered it and then my eczema started to clear up. So at least I have it in supply for next time and hopefully it will keep my eczema at bay. Okay, next up, I got myself a little hand wash. I don't know about you, but I really love a luxury hand wash. I think because I wash my hands like so many times a day, I like to use something a little bit fancier and the smell kind of gives me a little pick-me-up. And it's also like a lot more hydrating than other hand washes. And I just love this stuff. I got it in the lavender, but there are other fragrances to choose from, but seriously, the lavender is incredible. You can get this in multiple different sizes and you can get large refill bottles, but I thought I'd just get this one for now. Okay, next up, I got a little bit of skincare. I don't know if you're aware, but L'Occitane do incredible face creams. They also do incredible night serums. And just generally, their skincare is really good. I feel like it's often a little bit overlooked because people love their bath and body products so much. But trust me, their skincare is so good, especially if you love very natural but very hard-working skincare. And I have very dry and sensitive skin, so I'm quite prone to irritation. And they have never done anything apart from make my skin feel good and, I don't know, just hydrate and nourish and do all the good stuff. No irritation over here. This is the Immortal Divine Face Cream, and it's honestly like liquid gold. It's perfect. It's not cheap, but it is amazing. It's well worth a splurge, and I just love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, on to the final item. This is the L'Occitane Verveine perfume. This is so perfect for summer. It's so crisp, it's so uplifting and fresh. No matter how hot the weather is, this perfume will make you feel clean and fresh and just radiant and lovely. It cuts through all the kind of like the hotness and just makes you feel clean. It makes you feel really refreshed and I don't know, just kind of makes you feel good. It's perfect for both men and women. This is what the bottle looks like. It's pretty affordable so you can refresh it throughout the day. And it's just a really beautiful kind of no fragrance, which is really clean and fresh and unisex and uplifting and just the perfect summer citrus fragrance. And this is it again. And yeah, I just love this one. And I share it with my boyfriend because he is also a huge fan. So if you're shopping for a man or you like quite a unisex fragrance, I would recommend this one all day long. It's honestly my favourite L'Occitane perfume. Anyway, that is my unboxing. That is what I went for. There are so many amazing products from L'Occitane. I also love their soaps. Their night serum is fantastic. Of course, all the different fragrance hand creams are amazing. And their lavender bath soak is also incredible. But I didn't go for that one because we're coming into summer, so I'll be having less baths. And that is more of a winter product for me. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Oh, and all the shopping links are in the description below. Enjoy!